How does Tinder work? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn and figure out how does Tinder work, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you don't know what Tinder is, first of all, Tinder is a mobile dating app that allows users to connect with potential matches. So first of all, you have to download the Tinder app, create a profile, select the age, gender, picture, and other preferences that you might want. Now, to like someone, all you have to do is to simply swipe right on their photo. If you swipe right, it means that you like this person, and if this lady swipes right on me as well, it means she likes me back, and then we are a match on Tinder. And when we are a match on Tinder, we will start to be able to chat with each other. So the thing is, you can't go on about chatting with everybody. Only if you are a match, you swiped right on them, they swiped right on you, then you are a match, and then you'll be able to talk to them. This is simply how Tinder works. You have to like each other. Now obviously you can't know who liked you because Tinder doesn't allow that unless you have got lots of premium account, but you can simply come to your profile page and then you'll be able to select a couple of other options. You can simply make sure to select your settings and so on, and then you can see a couple of subscriptions that you might get with this plan. This way you should be able to go ahead and see how Tinder works. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.